a Sunday evening, I'm looking back over all the years and where I've been, looking at the photographs. I'm remembering you were right there, and you have been ever since. With every page that turns, I see your faithfulness. Ooh, the mountain where I climbed, the valley where I fell, you were there all along. That's the story I'll tell. You brought the pieces together, made me that storyteller. Now I know it is well, it is well. That's the story I'll tell. There were some nights that felt like they would last forever, but you kept me breathing. You were with me right then, and all that you have done for me, I can never hold it in. So here's to me telling this story over and over again. The mountain where I climbed, the valley where I fell, you were there all along. That's the story I'll tell. You brought the pieces together, made me that storyteller. Now I know it is well, it is well. That's the story I'll tell. That's the story I'll tell. Yeah, yeah. You hold the broken, you heal my every cry, every cry. My eyes are open, I know that it is well. Yeah, yeah. It is well. Oh, you hold the broken, you heal my every cry, every cry. And my eyes are open, and I know that it is well. It is well. Ooh, the mountain where I climbed, the valley where I fell, you were there all along. That's the story I'll tell. You brought the pieces together, made me this storyteller. Now I know it is well, it is well. That's the story I'll tell. That's the story I'll tell. For years and years and years I'll tell. That's the story I'll tell.
We conquered the mountain.
Yes, we did.
It truly is a beautiful thing when you can just go out and explore nature and be one with it and just really appreciate how beautiful life can be and how precious it is. You know, my husband and I, we've been talking about doing this for a very long time, just going up to Mount Bonnell and having a picnic up there and just talking about life and just appreciating, you know, God's creations, because it truly is amazing and it's so beautiful. And I really hope you guys just can watch this video and appreciate and listen to the song Storyteller by Morgan Harper Nichols, who is a really good friend of mine and is truly amazing. And listen to the words of that song and truly understand that you're a storyteller and your life is precious, and so are your lessons.